Okay, Noah, this is the last type. So this time, we're not dealing with lenses, we're dealing with a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. And here is the image that's being reflected in the mirror. I'm going to go through this one fast because we're running out of time. So, this is the image, this is the mirror. We need two rays that leave each side of the image. And it doesn't matter the angle at which you draw the rays. So I could have put it here, and there, and here. Doesn't matter where they leave. So, I have one going here, and another one going here. So, at each of these four intersection points, we need a perpendicular line that leaves those intersection points. And where the heck did the protractor go? Protractor.
Here, projector.
Where the heck did that go?
Not that.
No, that's a calculator. Protractor. I think I got another one. We were just using it. I have no idea where it went. We're wasting film time here. Okay. Okay, so can you see the page?
Yep.
So we need a perpendicular leaving each of these intersection angles. So a perpendicular is just a line that's at a 90-degree angle to another line. So 90,
Yeah.
90, 90, 90. So there's our four perpendiculars.
I can't see.
No?
I used to.
Maybe move over to this side.
Okay.
How's that look?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we've got a perpendicular leaving that intersection point. We have a perpendicular leaving this intersection point. Perpendicular leaving this intersection point. And a perpendicular leaving this intersection point. So, now we need to measure this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. And we need to draw angles identical to those angles on the other side of the perpendicular. So, we measure the angle. Looks to be about 33. So, we need a 30-degree angle on the other side of the perpendicular. This would be about here. We're recording a video, Jordan. You gotta be quiet. So, now we need to draw an angle leaving the other side of the perpendicular. Oh, sorry. Is he on it? Lift your chair up for 1 sec now. Sorry, Vanetta. 8 minutes. Okay. So, we need to draw an angle on the other side of the perpendicular that's equal to this angle. This angle looks to be about 18 degrees. So we need to draw an 18-degree angle on the other side of the perpendicular. There we go. Now, those two identical angles that I drew, I should have done this in the first place, but we need to extend those rays this way. And this one this way. So they intersect here. We need to do the same thing with these two. So this angle is about 21 degrees. So we need to draw an identical angle on the other side of the perpendicular. Another 21-degree angle. Jordan. And there it is. 21 degrees. And again, we need to extend the line that made that angle. And our fourth angle
Attention, please.
looks to be about 47 degrees.
Your attention, please. Just want to, I guess, remind and grade
So we need a
7
47
9.
degree angle on
This
the other side.
There is obviously a scheduled event for you, and you are expected to take part in that. There is an outing.
Here's our
outside
other
of school.
47 degree
That's part of
angle.
Education Week, and we would expect all students to
A couple of
participate.
interruptions during this video.
It's very disappointing,
So,
I guess, at times if a lot of
we
effort
extend
is planning
that one.
for you.
Here's
And
that
so,
intersection
some
point.
people,
So,
plan to
where
do things that
those
fall
two
through
intersection
or
points
otherwise.
are,
And so we certainly encourage all students.
that's
to
where
be
the reflected
here
image will be.
and be prepared for what is
Jordan.
planned for you.
So we need to do a spot check on this one as well.
Calls, as to why you're not in school and that kind of thing. So we don't want that to become an issue, and we encourage all of our grade 7.
Actually, we don't need to do a spot check for this one, I don't think.
Thank you.
So that's all we did. So here was our image. 2 rays leave each side of the image, and there's a perpendicular at the places where those rays intersect the mirror.
This top feels warm.
She's wearing it.
Yeah.
And so the angles that are made by the ray and the perpendicular, we need to copy that angle on the other side of the perpendicular and extend those lines so that they intersect on the other side of the mirror. We do that again on this side, and where those 2 intersection points are, that's where the 2 ends of our original image will be. And you can stop.